Next visual is funnel chart. What is funnel chart? Even funnel chart is also visualization. So using which we can represent the progressive reduction of data as it, to moves through different stages of a process to a sales funnel. Okay. So look here, this is how the funnel chart looks like. Can you all see it on the right bottom in my slide? You can see this. So this is how the funnel chart looks like. I think some problem with I think our people are accessing my laptop. 1 second, I will tell them. So this is how the funnel chart looks like, okay? So it helps us to visualize a linear process that has a sequential connected stages. So I'll just give you a simple example, okay? Let's say you are the marketing manager. You are trying to explore how you can reach more potential customers to grow your revenue share. So in that case, you are doing some kind of opportunity analysis. That is called, it is also called as a sales prospecting, okay? So what is sales prospecting? Anybody has any idea? Okay, I just explain this. So let's say you are generating leads through some third-party application or through some, let's say, you have given an advertisement in the Facebook ad, okay, about your, let's say you sell the food items, okay, you sell food items, right? You are an expert in um, creating cakes and and cooking, baking cakes, and you want to sell it, okay. For that, you are giving an advertisement in the Facebook or Google ad, okay. So let's the customers are calling you after seeing their advertisement, right? They keep calling you, and then what you do is, right? So not all the customers call you. They are going to place an order, right? They want to understand whether it is an eggless cake or is that, the cake you baked with egg. So finally they say, okay, they inquire it because they see the advertisement. It's mouth watering. It's so nice. It is so impressive. Everyone started calling you and inquiring you. You are getting a lot of calls. That is a leads. Okay. But out of that calls, right? Let's say you get 350 calls. Out of 350 calls, you qualify only 160 because most of them, the rest of them, right? The remaining 50% almost, they prefer eggless cake. Let's assume that way, okay? So out of the 350 calls, right? Finally you qualify only 160 because only 160 customers, they are okay to buy the cake, right? They want to buy the cake, with egg cake, okay? The cake prepared with egg, okay? So in that case, right, the out of 350 customers shown interest, you have qualified only 160 because the remaining people, they prefer only the eggless cake, okay? So next, right, then you come up with some strategy to target, these customers. And then what you do is, you conduct some, webinar, or sorry, you're not conduct some, you're going to give some demo, okay? And then they come and, attend the demo session, everything. And finally, right, only 90 people are ready to buy. So they want to place it. So you are selling it in bulk, okay? You just think that way, okay? You are selling it in bulk. 50 kg or 20 kgs and 15 kgs, 5 kgs, 5 plus kgs only you are selling it. You don't sell it, you're not a retailer, you just think that way, okay? So finally, what happened after seeing the terms and conditions, they say, out of 160 people, 120 people, they are okay to, take up the call to have a discussion with you to understand the pricing, everything, and the delivery time. And finally, right out of that, 90 people finally they are okay with that. Okay, so 120 people, right? They are okay to attend the call to understand what the price, everything. Or they are making 120 out of 160 120 people, right? So let's 160 people you have shortlisted, and again 30 people got dropped, right? So you call them for discussion, okay, and then finally, right, 120 people only attend, and out of 120, only 90 people now, they are okay to, place the order. And finally, right, so they only 60 people, they place the order. So right from the leads to conversion, how many stages were there? Each stage, how many of them they drop, right? So it is completely a sequential connected. It's all, all the stages are sequentially connected. But as we move, down, we could see a drop, right? It is something like pyramid. If you put the pyramid image upside down, how it looks like, right? The same way it looks like. Hence, it is called a funnel chart. Okay, starting from inquiry to conversion, how many stages are there here? In this case, 3, 4 stages, right? So apparently, in the first stage, you will have, so we have the more values in this case, right? As we move down, there is a drop in customers. With the help of funnel chart, we can understand we can understand the bottlenecks in the, in the linear process. Okay. And take, for example, another example, if you want to track a shopping cart workflow, so in that kind of situation also, you can use funnel chart. How many customers visited a specific product, and afterwards, how many customers added those products to wish list, and out of that, how many number of customers they added to the cart, and after adding it to the cart, how many number of customers they check, they are okay to check out, and finally, how many of them really checked out. Okay. So you can see in the case of final chart, the data is sequential and it moves through at least 4 stages. To calculate potential revenue or deals, right, by stages, we can use funnel chart. To calculate and track conversion retention rates. And for these are the scenarios wherein you can use funnel chart. Okay. They'll ask you what is stacked chart, what is funnel chart, and when you can use funnel chart, what kind of scenarios you can use funnel chart. So simple example is sales prospecting. Okay, sales prospecting. In that case, you want to check how many number of total leads we received. That is nothing but how many number of peoples have shown interest in your product. And then what you do is the next stage is you are going to shortlist. And not all the customers you can give your service. Okay, because you have some terms and conditions, and the customers, they have some kind of reservation. Like I said, not all the customers prefer the the cake with egg, right? Baked with egg. So, right, that is what the funnel chart is all about. These are the scenario where you can use funnel chart. I just quickly go over here and then I will just click on the new page. And here, look here, this is the funnel chart. One second, it is taking time. I don't know. Okay, this is the funnel, it's not this one. And this is the funnel chart. You just click on it. And here, I have used something like stages or something like that. I will use some other data set. Text CSV funnel chart data.csv. Okay, I just click open. So look here, there are 2 columns: stage and details. Inquiries, how many leads we received in total, and how many leads got qualified, how many how many people attended the meeting, and how many of them filled the proposal, and how many of them got converted ultimately. Okay, that is what it shows. Look here, the funnel chart data got loaded here. Since the data volume is very less, it got loaded in a pretty fast manner. So what I do is I just drag and drop. Second, I think submission. No, it's already there, funnel chart here. No. The stages, this is what the stage, 1 second, I'll just click on this. And then details, I select these two. Look here, now your funnel chart is ready. You can go to the format, the icon, you click on the format icon, you can increase the font size, title. That one I already explained you, right? How to give the title and where to give the title and how to increase the font size, everything, right? So that is what. This is what your funnel chart. So what is funnel chart? If they ask you how do you answer, funnel chart, we can use it to analyze and visualize data that follows a sequential flow, right? If you want to analyze the sales pipeline, you can go for funnel chart. If you want to understand the conversion rates or marketing campaigns, right? So from even in the case of marketing campaigns, the funnel charts can be used to visualize how effective your campaign at different stages. Okay, at different stages. And the recruitment process, even for the recruitment. So how many number of candidates they applied for the job? How many of the candidates you shortlisted? How many candidates you attended the interview? And how many of them finally got hired? Okay, it helps to track the efficiency of the hiring process and identify the areas of improvement. In case any issues with the hiring process, you can probably improve that by addressing any issues with your hiring process. Okay. Yeah, colors. See, in this case, right, you can use blue, purple, and green. So these are the one often used. What is that? Blue, purple, green. So the colors, how you can change it? Go to the format visual, and here, sorry, first you need to select the visual, and then go to the format your visual. See, one student, what he did, right? He did not select the visual. Simply, he was going there and he was searching all the things. Nothing was there. Okay. He was breaking his head for half a day. Guys, don't do that mistake. First, select the visual. Look here, after you select the visual, get highlighted, right? And then go to the format, your visual, and then colors. You can go and change the colors, and you can see the category labels and all on. And okay, where is that? 1 second. No, yeah, show all. 1 second. Yeah, when you click on, when you toggle this to on the show all, you can see each stage colors. All the stage colors are green in this case. What I do is I'll start with blue. Okay, and 1 second. Something like blue, and then inquiries. What I will do is, okay, I'll just start with the dark blue, and then in the lighter blue. Sorry, qualified leads. Okay, and my meeting held. I just make it purple. And in the purple itself, let's make it little bit light one. Or here we can give little bit this color also. And the last one you can give the green color. Okay, finally the customers place the orders. Okay, so the blue, purple, and green. This is the one we'll be using it. Okay, so that it will look good. And again, depends on the customers, and you need to check about the colors with your designer. Okay, so they already mentioned everything in a design document. You don't have to worry about that. Okay. So next one is what is the next one is the God chart we already discussed. And even single chord, multi-row chord, everything we discussed. KP also we discussed, multi-row chord also we discussed, and drill through filter. Okay, this will take time. What we'll do is we will quickly jump into understanding the waterfall chart also. We have seen it. And next one is, yeah, so this is the one you need to be aware. Okay,